Welcome to Fresh Vitals. Have you ever experienced the sweet, soothing taste of licorice? Known as Sweet Root and Mulethi, licorice is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerful herb used in Ayurveda to soothe gastrointestinal problems and respiratory issues. Its key components glycyrrhizin and flavonoids reduces stomach discomfort, acidity, throat irritation and cough and support immune system. Its sweet nature makes it a popular choice in teas and herbal remedies. Integrate licorice into your daily routine for a sweet boost to your health. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips.